Good morning, dear scholarites. Today our topic is gender, masculine gender and feminine gender. And we will learn how to change the gender. So, nouns have different names if they are male or female. We know these are called genders. Every person is having some name and the name depicts the gender. It tells about the gender. So, in this topic, we are going to learn about different kinds of gender. The first one is masculine gender. A noun is said to be a masculine gender if it refers to a male character or a male member of a species. So, the noun having the qualities or appearance associated with men, that is called masculine gender. Pronouns also change with the change of gender. They are he, him, his. For masculine, we use the pronoun he, him, his. You are having the example, the king looked majestic in his robe. So here, the masculine gender, the noun is king, and the king word gives the character of male species, and the pronoun used for king is his. Can you ask him to come on time? Here, the two people are talking about a person who is having masculine gender. Him denotes masculine or male gender. Now we are talking about feminine gender. A noun is said to be in the feminine gender if it refers to a female member of a species. A noun having the quality or appearance associated with women, especially delicacy and prettiness, it shows the feminine gender. Pronouns two changes according to gender. They are she, her, hers. So, for example, the queen looked elegant in her attire. So, here the queen is a feminine gender and the pronoun her denotes the queen, and it is telling us about the pronoun of feminine gender. Can you ask her to come on the time? So here the word her is denoting feminine gender. It is telling about a girl. Here are few more examples like nephew, it is a masculine gender, and the feminine gender of nephew is niece. Then is male, the feminine gender of male is female. Then is bridegroom, the feminine of bridegroom is bride. Hero, the feminine of hero is heroine. Prince, the feminine of prince is princess. Like I am giving you more examples. Man is, what is the masculine of man? What is the masculine of feminine of man? Woman. Boy, girl. Uncle, aunt. Cock, hen. King, queen. Actor, actress. Waiter, waitress. Rooster, hen. Stallion, mare. He, she. Him, her. His, hers. Now we are talking about here animals. Masculine gender fox, feminine of fox is vixen. Then waitress. Waitress is a feminine gender. What is masculine of waitress? Waiter. Then drone. Drone is a masculine gender and bee is a feminine gender. Bull is a masculine gender and cow is its feminine gender. Bachelor, spinster. Now we are talking about common gender. A noun that refers to either male or female gender is called to be in the common gender. So for example, my cousin is coming to visit me during the vacation. So here cousin can be a girl or a boy. It's given in your book. Here cousin can refer to a person who could be either a male or a female it means the cousin can be a girl or a boy. The word cousin refers to both, hence it is an example of common gender. There are some more examples of nouns of common gender like cook, teenager, thief, servant, relative, people, enemy, neighbor, partner, colleague, writer, singer, friend, leader, teacher, doctor. These common genders can either be a female or a male. So these words are called common gender. We can use for girls also and for boys also. So there is a exercise practice zone 1. You are having some fill ups. One is done for you and others you have to do. The first one is I saw him in a red t-shirt today. In the bracket you are given with the masculine feminine. You have to choose the correct word for it. Can I come in, sir? My dash is baking a cake for my birthday. You have to put a feminine here. Feminine gender. So, mother. My dash has gifted me a bicycle. You have to put here feminine, grandmother. There are many guests at the party. This is a common gender. The students were very attentive in the class. This is a common gender. Students can be girls, students can be boys, or both of them are sitting in the class. So we are using students. Then you have question number 2. Identify the common gender. Words in the following sentences and write them below. The first one is I am going for a picnic with my friends. So here friends is your common gender. Neha's baby is very cute. Here the word baby is your common gender. The baby can be a girl, a boy baby or a girl baby. So number C is all the singers on the stage were dressed in black. So here the word singer is a common gender and singer can be a female, singer can be a male. So we are using only singer. Then you are having the doctor looked at the patients attentively. Here the word doctor and the word patient are the common gender. Then you are having masculine gender and feminine gender. You have to write few masculine gender and you have to give their feminine gender. So the first one is dog. The feminine of dog is bitch, father. The feminine of father is mother, brother. The feminine of brother is sister, cock, hen, king, queen, ox, cow, peacock, peahen. So students, watch the video carefully, understand the concept and do your book exercises. Thank you.